Alright, today I'm going to be showing y'all how to get in and out of stocks. Now, if you do this properly, you are going to look at that nice run up. Uh, if you do it properly, you're gonna have a lot of success, and this is not guaranteed to make you tons of money every time. It depends on how much you invest, uh, what you are willing to risk, and yeah, all of that. But I'm gonna show y'all a little trick on how to get into the stock and then how to sell the stock. Now, we usually call it, from what I hear, it's called confirmation and then validation. Confirmation is when you sell or when you buy. There I go again, mixing it up. Confirmation is when you buy. Validation is when you sell. Now you're gonna have a lot of confirmations that look good, but when you buy into it, it sells off and it validates at a lower price, which is fine. The trick is if you're gonna lose money, like lose it quick. Uh, and by that I mean we're like don't lose much, like 10% max. And this is what I got. I bought right here. It was just like a swing thing. I was like, all right, it's gonna go up. I've been monitoring Oxy, so I bought it around here, and it's already at 2008. So whatever, I'm gonna leave it there. The moment I don't care. Uh, so let's go over some confirmation and validations. Now, when you look at the chart, right? We're gonna keep these in mind, right? I already taught you about the volume, the RSI, and the MACD. Now, the confirmation is when the three bars up here are above the SMA line. Now, the SMA line is the simple moving average, so it's gonna compile all the data that's in the moment. This is the EMA, which is the exponential moving average. And this is taking account the long range. So this is basically, oops, it's just going off the daily chart of what I have here on the day 1 minute one. Okay, so quick little thing. I believe we went over that last video, but I think I did it clearer this time, to tell you the truth. Okay, so confirmation is when you see, and it doesn't have to be green, 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 right? It could be a green if it goes over the SMA line, and then a green again, and another green. And you're going to want to buy in right here. Now, it's above the SMA line, so you're going to want to buy right here and then ride it out until confirmation. Confirmation is right here. When we see the first bar, it doesn't matter if it's green or red, you're selling right here at this confirmation. Oh, validation, I'm sorry. There I go again. So confirmation was when you buy. So if we're on the minute hand, we're going to go right here. 1, 2, 3. We know it's going to be above the SMA line. So we're going to buy. Bam. And then we're going to ride this up all the way to validation. We're going to validate right here and sell off. Now, we're not hoping for the future. We're not looking for hoping, because validation is when you know it's not going to rise again. Okay? And if you, it doesn't really matter, because you'll rather take short wins right here and then wait, buy, and then sell again right here. See? Because you never know, it's going to end up. Let me show y'all simple stuff. If you want to wait, if you want to wait and it doesn't work out for you, it's not going to go good for you. So like right here, we boom, 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 boom right here. You would want to buy in, right? And it doesn't go according to plan, because bam, you get validated really quick and you lose a little bit of money, and that's fine as long as we're focused and we have a game plan. So 1, 2, 3, we buy and we sell. It doesn't matter. You're not looking for, oh, maybe it's going to go to $30, $40, and this is just like a little waiting period. No, you always sell at the validation. So 1, 2, 3, you buy at confirmation. This is confirmation right here that is going to move up, right? And it does move up. It goes all the way up here, and then it drops quickly. I don't know why, but it drops. Validation, you sell, and then you wait. Yeah, you lost a little bit of money. That's fine. But if you waited, look how much money you could have wasted. Let's say you buy right here, right? You buy at $20 and 2004. Sorry, let me turn off my iPad. It's distracting. 2004. You buy right here. Now let's say, oh, it's gonna keep going up. It's gonna keep going up. No, it's gonna go all the way down past the validation. If you keep it, it's gonna keep validating all the way. Look how much money you just lost. Let's say you bought 100 stocks, 2004. You just lost 20 cents times 100 stocks. That's $20 right there. You just lost $20. Now it doesn't seem like a big deal, but you could have lost what, $5, couple dollars, instead of wasting your money. And then you go bam, bam, bam. You buy again, confirmation right here. It's a little dirty one, but any confirmation works, right? Where were we? Where were we before my tirade? Okay, so boom, boom, boom right here, confirmation. And you can ride this baby out all the way to validation right here. And it's above the EMA, so it will be looking good when you're when you buy it right here. So let's see. You buy right here, you sell, you get 7 cents. You get, was that $70? $7? You get $7 right there. So you lost what, 4 or something over here. You gained it right back. Now these are the juicy ones that I messed out because I sold off what, Tuesday? Today's Thursday night. So boom, boom, boom right here. You can see already we started the day off with confirmation. And then let's say we buy right here, 1905. We keep riding it. It's still above the SMA line. Bam, validation right here. We've just got 04. We ended up getting about 25 cents. 25 cents times 100 is what, $25? You got $25 right there. We wait for another confirmation. This, I wouldn't say is a confirmation, but if you wanted to buy into it, you could. But we're not looking for that. We're wanting to make money. We're not trying to gamble here. This is guaranteed making money. And I say guaranteed, but I just told you that you're going to lose a couple dollars in the process of doing this type of trading. And it's fine because you're going to win more times than you're going to lose if you follow the plan. So boom, boom, boom right here. This is a perfect confirmation right here. We buy and we ride that baby all up to all the way to validation. So what, 92, and we bought at 53. So that was a 40-cent rise. And like I said, you're never gonna get these perfect confirmations and validations, right? It's gonna be 1, 2, 3 right here, confirmation, you buy, and it's your validation is all the way right here, and you just lost some money, right? You lost 4 cents, which is like $4. You'd rather get off there than end up $100, $200, $300 in the hole. Let's go over some more. Okay, so here's a good example. Let's say you get this is not a confirmation by any means of the imagination. So 1, 2, 3. Let's say you're greedy. You're like, oh, it's gonna keep going up. It's gonna keep going up because we see the MACD going up, and we think it's gonna go all the way up like right here, but it doesn't. We gotta make sure it's over the SMA line. You gotta have 3 bars over the SMA line. That's confirmation. Clean run up right here. I already showed you that one. You're gonna lose money on that one, but it's all right because you're gonna have these plays where you buy in and you get the 40 cents. You buy in, you get the dollar, you get $2 per share. Let's go over some more. These are low volumes. I don't like low volumes. I only low volume trade with swing. Now, 1, 2, 3. This is a perfect confirmation right here. Was it one? Okay, 1, 2, 3. And then we lost a couple dollars. That's all right. I would rather lose a couple, $10, $20 instead of losing hundreds of dollars. So 1, 2, 3 right here. We write another confirmation. We buy in. We validate. Not too much, a couple cents, but it's all right. Another one. We lost money. This. Now let's say if you lose a couple dollars on one, don't be trying to beat a dead horse. We're not looking to keep on the same stock. If it ain't working for you, move along. You might get lucky with something like this. 1, 2, 3, buy in. It looks ugly, but if you're looking at these factors, would buy in. Me personally, I would not buy in because 1, 2, 3, right here, it's overbought. I almost mixed up on that one too. Again. So it's overbought right here, and yes, it looks like it's going up, but we're still in the red. We don't know if it's going to keep going down like this or it's going to go back up. So I wouldn't have gone into that one. And like I say, we don't use these only. All right, we're going to look at other factors and yeah, that we could have made a couple dollars right here. Validation, bam, would have made 20 cents, but RSI and MACD tells us it's not really a good move. It's risky, and we're not gonna be trading risky. We're gonna go in with the confidence. 1, 2, 3. This is I wouldn't go in on this one unless I knew, as you can see, the MACD. But we wouldn't really know it's gonna go all the way up like that, right? And the RSI is showing that it's halfway through. So I would have probably held off on that. I wouldn't really go on, what's the volume on this? Oh yeah, I wouldn't have touched it anyway. Low volume. Don't like low volumes. Did we just see this one? Could have made some good money right here. Bam, bam, bam. Now, the confirmation with the red in the middle, it's fine. I know some people call it 3-bar play. But it's 1, 2, 3. As long as you see the third one going up and it's above the SMA line, it's above the EMA line, I think you're safe. And it's we look at the RSI, we look at the MACD, we see that it's going up. We see that's over this red line. I would have bought in. What is it? 1669. This is not validation. We're looking for something under. We could also think this is a validation point, but it's gonna. You wouldn't know really. You wouldn't know if it's gonna go back up or what. So validation right here. The first bar, first candlestick under the SMA line. So we buy. There we go. We got a 30-cent raise. I hope that was informative. Let me know what y'all thought in the comments. I know the first video, it did not have the comment sign. I'm sorry. I'm working on that. I'm working on my video. I'm working on my mic. I have of course I got Elgato. I'm a streamer, but I have a Yeti microphone, and it picks up every sound in the world. When it's supposed to only pick up my voice. Join my Patreon. It's $50 a month. I'm showing you, I go over the trades. This is the trades for last week, so I guess I'll show you now. These are the trades I was working on. I gained $300 in 2 days with these. I put $2,000. I separated to $2,000, so it was only $200 on each. I made $300 on all these. and I'll show y'all when to buy in, when to sell. This with the swing, I do other stuff, but since this is YouTube, I'm not gonna show it. I'm gonna show it on my Patreon only. So if you liked it, give me a like, sub, consider that Patreon. I'm gonna drop the link in the description, and see you later.